Working with CNC machining programs and have an old MC8 file? This is a part file from a legacy version of a leading KM application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Mastercam V8 files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents, even when the MC8 format fails. More on this later. MC8 files are part files created by Mastercam version 8, a computer-aided manufacturing software for CNC machining programming. They contain 3D geometry toolpaths, machining operations tool definitions, and post-processor settings for milling, turning, and wire EDM machines. MC8 files use Mastercam's proprietary format, storing part geometry toolpath definitions, tool libraries, machine setups, and operation parameters. The version 8 format is specific to that release, with structure designed for Mastercam V8's machining workflow and post-processor compatibility. The anticipated software for loading MC8 is Mastercam created by CNC Software. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can't load their advanced geometry, so complete viewing depends on professional CAD programs. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your MC8 file and select Open With. Test Mastercam if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If your MC8 file isn't cooperating, don't worry. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, opening in modern Mastercam. Install a current version of Mastercam from CNC Software, which maintains backward compatibility with older file formats. Use File, then Open to load the MC8 file. Mastercam imports the legacy file, converting geometry and toolpaths to the current format automatically. Next, using Mastercam file translators. If newer Mastercam versions don't directly read MC8 files, use the Mastercam file translator utilities provided by CNC Software. The translators convert MC8 files to current MCAM formats, preserving geometry and toolpaths for continued use in modern Mastercam. Finally, exporting to neutral formats. Within an older Mastercam V8 installation, export the geometry to STEP IGS or DXF format. The neutral CAD formats import into any modern CAM software, including current Mastercam Fusion 360, or other CAM tools, enabling continued use of the geometry data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.